Swear to God, this K24 is never gonna get old, guys. I'm gonna say straight up, right off the bat, K20 Vtec crossover is a lot more fun. It's a lot more audible. I've said this before in my other videos. Smile on my face every single time. Every single time, guys. K-Series. All Hondas are amazing. I don't care what they are, as long as they have Vtec. All right, Vtec. I just can't stop getting on Vtec, man. I told myself I was gonna baby this thing. Do one more pull, guys, because it is about to rain right now, so I don't want to be out dicking around in the rain. Woo! All right, unfortunately that's it, guys. Look at this guy. Look at that. Enough Vtec for the night before I end up blowing this car apart. Whew. That was fun, man. I had a little hatchy trying to mess around. I had a BMW left me in the dust, even though we didn't race. He just took off, and I'm just having a blast with this swap, guys. So it's my 2007 Civic Si for all you guys that are new, and I'm running a 2004 JDM TSX K24A. A lot of you guys are curious on what mods I'm running right now, and I'm gonna make a separate video for that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Vtec on.